The specific question that came in is a great one. It is, how do you teach beginning hand and finger technique? Because I do teach a lot of transfers, I have seen a lot of problems or pitfalls that students can fall into that I have then had to rehabilitate later. So I do feel like it is very, very important when we are teaching beginners that we get them set up as well as we can, knowing that of course every student's body and hand is different and every student's practice habits are different, and so we can't control the technical outcome, but we can do our best to set them up for success. The most important thing is that students understand from the beginning that it is not our fingers that push keys to make music, but it is our entire body. And our first task as piano teachers is to set our students up with a whole body technique. This means that they have to sit at the correct height on their bench, and for students whose feet do not reach the floor when they sit on a piano bench, we must support their feet. When a student is not balanced in that way, they tend to lean into the piano like this, and then they start supporting themselves with their hands, which is of course not what we want. We want their body supported so that their arms and hands can move freely across the keyboard. Next, a student needs to understand that we play the piano with our whole arm. And so it can be helpful to even stand up and move around to feel the weight of your arms. You can lean over, act like you're a gorilla and hang your arms around.